Hi, this is Tim Rozansky, PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over an offer we have for a free indoor air quality test for after a fire. A fire leaves more than just visual damage. It contaminates the air with soot, ash, and harmful chemicals. Ensuring safe indoor air quality is critical after fire damage restoration. That's why we're offering a free indoor air quality test to help you breathe easier. Why air quality testing matters. Fires release dangerous particles, VOCs, and toxins. Lingering contaminants can cause respiratory issues. A professional air test ensures your home is safe to occupy. Comprehensive fire restoration services, fire damage assessment, evaluate structural and air quality damage, smoke and soot removal, eliminate harmful residues from surfaces, emergency fire restoration, 24/7 rapid response to prevent future damage, fire and water damage repair, restores your property from fire and water damage after firefighters. Our free air quality test includes a particulate matter detection. It identifies lingering soot and debris. A VOC analysis. It measures harmful chemicals in the air, humidity and moisture levels. We prevent mold growth after water damage by checking these. Supporting your fire damage insurance claim. Documentation, including this air quality test, strengthens insurance claims for fire damage. A detailed air quality report provides this evidence. To claim your free air quality test today, if you have any fire damage at your property, please call PDQ today. We are happy to help.